Ever wonder how to get that model cool girl bun? Well, I'm here to show you. I divide the hair into 2 sections and I do 2 separate ponytails. So here I am doing the back ponytail, getting it as sleek as possible with a natural bristle brush and high as possible. Here I am tying it with an elastic with my chin up to try to keep it as tight as possible. Now I'm going to divide out the front section, just a little triangle off of my part, and clip those away. So then I start and wet it with a lot of hairspray at close range. I did that to the back section too. Now I'm using 2 natural bristle brushes to get it really smooth, and then I'm joining the front ponytail with the back ponytail. To make the bun, it's actually really simple. I just twist it really tightly as I go and spray it to keep it smooth. And I just twist it around just like a regular little bun. I secure it with bobby pins and an elastic, and then I just leave about 2 or 3 inches of hair out the bottom. Now I'm spraying it with hairspray on the front and the back, and then laminating it with a flat iron. So now we just have to smooth the 2 front pieces. You could do this with a flat iron too. And now you are ready for a night out on the town.